Hello my colleagues, in today's video we are going to be taking a look at some of the best performing stocks in Nigeria in the first half of 2024 and seeing if they are actually still worth buying now in the second half of 2024. If you are anyone interested in business and finance related videos, then smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can also use the link in the comment section and description to join my email newsletter where I document my journey building wealth in Africa and also share business and investment opportunities every Friday morning. By the way, my email newsletter also gives you access to my private investing community on Telegram. So join now, and without much talk, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. Starting off our list is Julie PLC, which has seen a jaw-dropping 1,508.47% growth in its stock price during the first half of 2024. That's right, a more than 20x increase from its previous price of 0.59 kobo per share as of January 1st, 2024 to an astonishing 10 naira 30 kobo per share today. Put that into perspective, if you had invested 100,000 naira in Julie PLC at the start of the year, your investment would now be worth approximately 2 million naira now. Imagine turning 1 million naira into 20 million naira in the in just 6 months. That's the potential if you had actually invested in Julie PLC as of the 1st of January 2024. Now, so what's behind this incredible, rise in share price? You see, Julie PLC is a leading retail pharmacy chain in Nigeria. Founded in 1972, they have been pioneers in providing pharmaceutical services and products across the country. However, despite this impressive stock performance, there are some critical aspects to consider. First, let's take a look at the ownership. Wema Bank is a major investor in Julie PLC, holding over 30% of the company's shares. Additionally, Prince Julius Adelusi Adeluyi OFR controls 28.63% and Midas Investment and Property Limited owns around 8.53%. This strong ownership structure suggests strategic backing and stability, which can be a positive indicator for the company's future growth. However, when we take a closer look at Julie PLC's financials, the picture gets a bit more detailed. In 2023, the company's turnover increased by 13.64% compared to the previous year, reaching 288.777 million naira, up from the 254.1 million naira they generated in revenue in 2022. Even though the revenue went up, the gross profit margin actually dropped from 35% in 2022 to 33.21% in 2023. This drop happened because the cost of making and selling their products grew faster than their revenue. Furthermore, Julie PLC posted a net loss of about 6.7 million in 2023, although this was an improvement from the 11 million naira loss recorded in 2022. In the first half of 2024, despite generating over 100 million naira in revenue, the company managed a profit of just over 1 million naira. Another point to note is that Julie PLC has not paid any dividends since 1999, with only 4 dividend payments in its entire history. This might actually be a concern for income-focused investors looking for regular returns on their investments. Overall, while there are some growths in revenue, the company's profitability remains weak and there is lack of consistent returns to shareholders. These factors suggest that the recent stock price increase of Julie PLC is not strongly supported by the company's financial fundamentals. So I would advise you to avoid this company. Next up, we have Veritas Capital. Veritas Capital is a stock that I have been bullish on for a while now. Though I started calling this stock when it was trading at around 67 kobo a few months back, I still believe that even at its current price of around 1 naira 40 kobo, it is quite undervalued. In my opinion, Veritas Capital, with its growth management and progress, is a 2 naira minimum company. Let's take a look at the background of Veritas Capital. Veritas Capital Assurance PLC is one of Nigeria's leading insurance companies. Formerly known as Unity Capital Assurance PLC, it was incorporated in 1973 as a private liability company under the name Kano State Insurance Company. One of the pillars of my confidence in this company, like I always say, is its current CEO, Dr. Adobe Nwakuche. Dr. Nwakuche is a seasoned insurance professional with over 25 years of experience. Before joining Veritas Capital, she was the pioneer managing director stroke CEO of Hairs Insurance Limited, a company backed by a tycoon, Tony Elumelu. For Mr. Tony to trust this woman to run his insurance company, who am I not to trust her at Veritas Capital? Since Dr. Nwakuche became the CEO, Veritas Capital stock price has been at an upward trend, hitting a high of 1 naira 30 kobo before stabilizing at its current price of around 95 kobo per share and then skyrocketing now to around 1 naira 40 kobo. I believe this company is quite undervalued. Now, taking a look at the nitty-gritty, Veritas Capital Assurance has been growing earnings at an average annual rate of 63.3%, while the insurance industry has seen earnings grow at 30.4% annually. This means that Veritas Capital is growing at more than double the rate of the insurance industry. The company's revenue has been growing at an average rate of 42.4% per year, with a return on equity of 31.8% and net margins of 38.7%. In the first half of 2024, Veritas Capital's revenue stood at 11.9 billion, up 294% from what they made in H1 of 2023. Net income, which is essentially the profit, was at around 4.56 billion, up 370% from the first half of 2023. Veritas Capital is a company I strongly believe in, and even at its current price, I see it having the potential to hit 2 naira per share. Don't sleep on Veritas Capital. This is a company that has very good fundamentals backing its growth, unlike Julie PLC that does not have any strong fundamentals backing its rise in share price. At number 3, we have Julius Berger. Julius Berger Nigeria PLC is one of the most established and renowned construction companies in the country. This company has a long history in Nigeria and has been pivotal in developing infrastructure across the country. The company was incorporated in 1970 and has since grown to become a household name in the construction industry. Julius Berger is involved in various sectors, including infrastructure, industrial projects, and building works. They are known for handling some of the most iconic and large-scale projects in Nigeria, such as the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, Abuja-Kaduna Expressway, and the second Niger Bridge. Now, jumping into the nitty-gritty, in the first half of 2024, Julius Berger continued to showcase its strength in the market, achieving significant financial milestones. The company saw an impressive 348.9% growth in its earnings in Q1 of 2024, with after-tax profits more than quadrupling to hit 10.1 billion naira from the 2.24 billion in the same period of 2023. This strong financial performance was driven by ongoing projects, new contracts, and efficient cost management. The company's revenue for the first half of 2024 rose to 110.9 billion, up from 107 billion in the previous year. This increase was primarily due to an 83% growth in service revenue, a 38% increase in building works revenue, and a 72% rise in diversification revenue. However, there was a decline in revenue from civil works, which dropped to 66 billion from 81 billion naira. Furthermore, Julius Berger's earnings per share reached a 13-year high, increasing to 6 naira 26 kobo from 1 naira 40 kobo, reflecting the company's great financial health. Julius Berger recently has been diversifying its operations, moving beyond traditional construction into other areas like real estate and infrastructure development. This strategic move is aimed at reducing dependency on government contracts and tapping into the growing private sector market. Moreover, the company has been investing, intensively in technology and innovation. In terms of stock market performance, Julius Berger's stock has performed remarkably well in the first half of 2024. The company's share price rose to 72 naira 24 kobo on May 15th, up from 43 naira on January 2nd, making it one of the top performing stocks in the building and construction sector of the Nigerian stock exchange. This increase in the stock price reflects investors' confidence in Julius Berger's financial strength and growth prospects. Currently, Julius Berger Nigeria PLC remains a top pick for investors looking for stability and growth in the construction sector, and I believe they have more growth potentials. Finally, on our list, we have Geregu Power PLC, a key player in Nigeria's energy sector, particularly in electricity generation. As one of the publicly listed power generation companies, Geregu Power has been instrumental in contributing to Nigeria's electricity supply. Geregu Power PLC was initially owned by the Nigerian government and operated under the Power Holding Company of Nigeria (PHCN). However, following the privatization of the power sector, it was acquired by a private entity which has since overseen significant improvements in its operations. The company operates the Geregu Power Plant, which is located in Kogi State and has a generation capacity of approximately 435 megawatts. Jumping into the nitty-gritty, in the first half of 2024, Geregu Power PLC demonstrated solid financial performance, driven by increased power generation and improved operational efficiency. The company reported a significant rise in revenue, hitting 80.7 billion in the first half of 2024, a 133% increase from the 34.7 billion naira they generated in revenue in the first half of 2023. This growth was driven by enhanced plant availability, higher electricity tariffs, and improved collections from power sales. The company's profit before tax also saw a remarkable increase, rising by 145.3% to hit 30.15 billion naira from the 12.29 billion naira in the first half of 2023. Geregu Power's net profit for the first half of 2024 stood at 20.01 billion naira, up 148.5% from the 8.05 billion naira in profit they made in the first half of 2023. This strong bottom line performance shows the company's capacity to deliver consistent returns to its shareholders. The company is also in the process of acquiring an additional plant, Geregu Power Plant 2, a 434 megawatts gas-fired power project, which will significantly boost its power production capacity and in turn generate for them more revenue. Taking a look at the company's stock price performance, Geregu Power PLC's stock has garnered significant attention from investors due to the company's consistent financial performance and its strategic position in the power sector. In the first half of 2024, the stock saw a notable increase in its price, going from trading at 399 naira per share earlier this year to hitting 1000 naira as of the moment of making this video, reflecting investors' confidence in the company's growth prospects and its ability to generate stable cash flows. Following improved profit in the 2023 financial year, the company approved a dividend payout of 8 naira per share, translating to 20 billion naira for the 2023 financial year, which is actually very massive. Geregu Power Plant is well positioned to benefit from Nigeria's ongoing power sector reforms and the increasing demand for electricity in the country. With a strong financial base, strategic investments, and a focus on efficiency and sustainability, the company presents a very compelling opportunity for investors looking to gain exposure to the Nigerian energy sector. However, for me, at the price of 1000 naira per share, I won't be investing in the company, even though I know it has the potential to hit probably 1500 or even 2000 naira per share. So there you have it, guys. GDPLC, Veritas Capital, Julius Berger, and Geregu Power Plant are the top 4 performing companies, or would I say stocks, in the Nigerian stock market for the first half of 2024. If you found this video insightful, do well to smash the like button subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to join my email newsletter. Link will be in the comment section and description to get access to my private investing community on Telegram. By the way, if you found this video very helpful and insightful, then go watch this video where I share my top stocks to buy in Nigeria now for massive profits. See you over there. Deal.